Install Android 8.1 Oreo on OnePlus 2 via Pixel Experience ROM. Download links and other information are available in the description section below. First check out that, then start the procedure. Step 1. First download and install a custom recovery. If you already had a custom recovery installed on your device, then skip this step. Step 2. Download Android 8.0 ROM and apps from description below and save it on your device. Step 3. Now boot your device into recovery mode. Step 4. Now in TWRP, create an Android backup of your device for safer side. If anything goes wrong, you can restore your older ROM. Step 5. Now do a factory reset by go to Wipe, Advanced Wipe, select Wipe Cache Dalvik Cache System and Data, then swipe to confirm it. Step 6. Now go to Install, and locate the ROM zip file and swipe to install the ROM file. After the process completes, flash the GApps zip file. Step 7. Now wipe cache and Dalvik cache again, and reboot your device. That's it. This is the complete guide to download and install Android 8.0 Oreo. Let us know how's your experience with Lineage OS 15 update by comments below.